Honor is preparing to launch the Magic7 RSR Porsche Design, once again with a design inspired by the Porsche cars. And while those models' promos are often all about design, we now got to learn a bit more about its specs in advance. Leakster Digital Chat Station shared some features of the new phone, saying it will have a massive battery with 100W wired and 80W wireless charging. The new Magic7 RSR will adopt many of the features we have already seen in the Magic6 RSR, a 6.8-inch OLED with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1280p resolution, but here, the panel will be curved from all four sides. There will be a 50MP front-facing camera with a TOF 3D face scanner for facial recognition. There'll obviously also be a new ultrasonic fingerprint scanner underneath the screen. The phone will come with IP68/69 protection and the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, matching the Magic 7 Pro. The cameras on the back are three, but they are aligned in a square formation to match the design of the Porsche Taycan Turbo GT headlights. We are looking at a 50MP main sensor with variable aperture lens in front, a 200MP periscope telephoto shooter, and a 50MP ultra-wide camera. The phone will also support satellite connectivity in China, where it will be able to connect to both Tiantong and Beidou satellites. The hero color of the Honor Magic7 RSR seems to be Province Purple, which is also available for the 2024 Porsche Macan.